Good day, class. For today's lesson, we will talk about how a program thinks and decides using two very important control statements for next and if, else, and we will also introduce operations on addresses, which are commonly used in PLCs, microcontrollers, and computer-based control systems. 1. If, else operation. What is if else? If else is used when a program needs to make a decision. It asks the question, if this condition is true, what should I do? Otherwise, what should I do instead? If the condition is true, first action runs. If the condition is false, the else action runs. Where if else is used? Safety checks, sensor-based decisions, alarm systems, robot movement decisions. Example, if obstacle detected, stop, else move forward. 2. For next operation. What is for next? For next is used when we want a task to repeat a specific number of times. Instead of writing the same command many times, we use a loop. The LED blinks 5 times, then the variable keeps count. Where for next is used for repeating motor movements, scanning multiple sensors, counting operations, running tests, or routines. Example, move the robot arm 10 times. Check 8 sensors one by one. 3. The difference is that the if-else command is used to make decisions based on conditions and used for choices, while for next, commands are used for repeated actions based on count. They are also used for loops. 4. Operations on addresses. What is an address? An address is a location in memory where data is stored. Think of it like this. A house address tells where something is located. A memory address tells where data is stored. Why are address operations important? Controllers use addresses to read sensor data, write output commands, store and retrieve values. Basic operations of addresses. 1. Reading an address. The controller gets data from a specific memory location. Example, read sensor value from address A. 2. Writing to an address. The controller stores data into memory. Example, store motor speed value. 3. Address incrementing used in loops moves from one memory location to the next. Example, for loop reads sensor data from address 1 to address 8. 5. How these work together. Let's connect everything. Example scenario. For next checks multiple sensors if, else decides if the robot should stop or move. Address operations read sensor data and write outputs. This combination allows the robot to repeat tasks, make decisions, and manage data efficiently. 6. Summary to summarize, the if-else command helps programs make decisions. For next, commands help programs repeat tasks. Addresses tell the controller where data is stored. Address operations allow reading, writing, and organizing data. Thank you, class. That concludes our lesson for today.